turn off all the power. Yeah, that's old. That's almost twisted. Yeah. If need be, we just hide in there, yeah?
Yep.
It's padlocked though. Shoes aren't being very stealthy. There's the electrical shit. Fancy. Looks at it.
Right with that door.
No. He said it was right on the front, didn't he? No, I put my high vis on, blend in. That door looks open. How to grab it? Hmm? Lights on. Yeah. Go find another way then. Yeah. Walk up the stairs for that door. I'm on. Yeah, shut up, Craig. Yeah. That sucks.
No, that's a fire door.
You can always have another look around, have a little quick gander. We didn't check the other side, so.
So there's some sort of security, but it hasn't.
They got security, but they don't stay, I don't think. No.
How's it the old time, right?
Yeah. Well, it might be easier because you got to just do the same thing basically, just jump out, turn over, go down. No. Yeah, let me just bullshit until you got permission. Yeah. Imagine that. Just opens. And now we're in the front. Unless the store's open. Man. I have to go right to the front. Hello.
Well, you have an Explorers?
Yeah.
Please leave.
Okay.
Yeah, we can, yeah.
Okay.
Secure premises. You can be found on enclosed premises, alright?
Yeah, it's alright, yeah.
What's your names?
Aaron.
Aaron what?
Hobson.
Aaron, we're just going to take some details, do some
Yeah,
checks. We're
yeah,
going to give you
right.
some. I can see by virtue of your
Yeah.
taking
Cameras.
cameras.
Yeah.
You can't be on here.
Yeah, we know, yeah.
You know that, so.
Yeah, we know, yeah.
We saw it on someone posted on Facebook, so we were like, ooh, have a look, mate.
Yeah, we're going to have a couple of checks.
It's not
That's
warm,
alright.
is it?
No, it's not.
Even more
Not
reason
really.
I'll be out here.
Oh.
Some details very shortly.
How have you accessed here?
There's a hole in the fence at the back.
Fence over there.
Fell on
Few
top
seconds,
of a tree.
Okay.
The box.
That's good.
I hope I have nothing else happening.
Sorry?
I don't mind.
HR. What vehicle is that?
I can't show you the window quick because I got the video of it. Is it this one?
So you
That's me on the
parked
roof.
up, if you walked all right the way around the
Yeah, that's
edge,
the
then
school.
yeah.
Where's the one at the window?
You need to get a coat if you're.
Yeah, I had
outdoors
one.
as well, right?
I had one and I lost it. It's not very fun. That's this one here. Yeah, this window here. It's just there, just open it. They sealed it.
Back.
Yeah.
No, that's the
Egyptian
James.
No, James one.
Yeah.
I was supposed to post my video of that. I
We wanted rounds.
messed it up.
You guys, when you go in, I'm assuming you're not there to damage stuff.
No,
take stuff,
no.
yeah.
We had this with one of the ones in Ipswich. They said that we were there to steal metal or something. We're like, no.
The thing is, by you sharing it, then attracts.
Oh, we don't post the locations. We don't.
You don't?
Never,
Oh,
we post the
fine.
exit. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
The only ones we do are the ones that are like proper, broken, and everyone knows where they are.
There are offences around
Yeah, I know.
enclosed premises. This isn't enclosed premises.
Yeah, it's civil trespass, isn't it? I have a great shot in
There are actually
aggravated.
criminal offences around
Is there?
being found in closed premises as well. It's whether what
I've
your
heard that
intent
one
is.
before, actually.
So you need to be careful of that. I could turn up, I could search you, I could take you for a search, I'll be pace would allow me to do that. I could arrest you on suspicion
I won't have
of
a
that.
Sharpie on me. We have a
I
Sharpie.
could immediately recognise, like, look at
I
that.
have a Sharpie for some reason.
I know what you're doing here. There are risks to you as well.
Yeah.
Obviously, if you're going into
Yeah, we know.
premises, asbestos, insecure properties.
Oh, they do have a security guard. Yeah. We both
You
work.
don't want this to affect your
No.
day job, surely. So
Yeah. First bus.
Oh, okay. So what, you're a driver or?
No.
Yeah, my boss knows I go out and do this, so he was like, don't get yourself in this prison cell, it's not nice. I'm like, I hope not.
Did it for a long time, so we know.
Then you got the van as well.
We will escort you out that way with us.
Yeah, that's all right.
It saves us time over.
Yeah, it does. I think we can gently. I think we'll expect it over.
If you want, literally down the bottom of the train bridge, there's literally just a bit that's there. Just jump over that.
Yeah, I'll look. So see, I've been doing it for 20 years, so.
Are you Colchester as well?
No, I'm Ipswich.
You're Ipswich.
Yeah, he came to my town to do one of the ones there, so I went with him to do it, and we've been going to other places since. But the second encounter I've had with police now. Both of them have been alright. I don't know why people say police are bad, they're not. Oh.
Actually, that's pretty serious, is it not?
Oh.
How often offences if you are confident,
Where's this taking to?
Thank you.
Yeah, there's a hole up the back up there.
Yeah,
so you can
we
see.
know. I
Oh,
know,
did you?
so you cut it.
Oh, did you? No, we didn't cut it. We have the cameras on.
we haven't
We just
cut
jumped over a fence.
I was already there.
Really?
Have you
Yeah.
got CCTV them cutting it?
We haven't cut nothing.
Cutting it?
I would as a
We
guest
haven't
because
cut
it shows trees shaking like that.
Oh yeah, it's because there was a tree there. I moved the tree out of the way to get over the fence because it's two 2x4s on the wall.
Well, we've got
So-
their details. We can verify who they are if necessary. All right?
Yeah,
Haven't
I've got
cut
the reg
nothing.
number.
Yeah, we've got that. Thank you.
But,
All right, gents.
yeah,
You're off. See where off we go.
yeah, right. Thank you.
Okay.